Do y'all see that? Me neither, sis. Melted, okay? Melted.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a unboxing and a first impressions video for you guys today on this wig from LuvMeHair. So let's hop right into the unboxing because I'm ready to get into it. The melt though is the melt for me though. That is bomb. And I think the lace tint too. I don't know, that lace tint, it be hit or miss for me. I think it got to do with your makeup.
Probably.
Cause like right now I did my foundation, but I didn't do nothing else because I knew I was gonna put this frontal on, and I know that'd be an issue sometimes. But it's the lace for me. This lace is fire.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision?
So it has almost been like almost 3 hours since you guys seen me last, and the hair was all wet and now it's dry. Didn't finish my makeup. I haven't taken this scarf off yet, so let's see the reveal together. It should be super late. Oh, I hate when that happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, and I definitely have to like fill in my makeup right there. So I'm gonna put my foundation on, set it with powder, and then use a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer in a part. I'm gonna use the Fawn.
Can you see the vision? in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement.
I'm so pleased with this install, with this wig overall. Can you tell? She's a whole vibe. Yes. So again, this is a 360 frontal wig from LuvMeHair. Let me look down at my specs really quick. It's their Jerry curl texture in 16 inches. And right now, the price is $244. A little steep. I believe I have a coupon code, so I will link it down below in the description box. Every little coin, savage matters, right? Yes. But okay, so I know this is my initial thoughts, but I know quality curly hair when I see it, when I feel it, when I wear it, and this is it. The lace, it's the lace for me, sis. Do y'all see that? Me neither, sis. Melted, okay? Melted. And I knew this lace was bomb before I even added the scarf on my head to further melt it down. And the elastic band on this wig, bomb. Bomb. Perfecto. They did that. This is the first time in history that I have had an elastic band that came pre-sewed into a wig that fit my head perfectly. It's so thick and the quality is just there. LuvMeHair, come here. Y'all did that. The shipping time for me took about 3 to 4 business days, and customer service, I know I'm an influencer, so take everything that influencers say with a grain of salt. Y'all know that. But for me, customer service was everything. Anything that I had, like any questions that I had for them, they answered them for me promptly. So customer service, I have dealt with some companies that their customer service was questionable, even dealing with me as an influencer. So I feel like they have great customer service. Let me know. Let us all know down below in the comment section if you have tried LuvMeHair and what your experience was. But yes, the textures, everything you guys seen for 16 inches. I think this is a good full density. I don't know. Let me see if it says the density. It actually doesn't say the density, but I feel like this is like 150 to 180% density, because it's so full and beautiful, but it's not overpowering my face. If you haven't tried LuvMeHair and you have the budget for it, I definitely suggest that you do so, because the quality. And I was talking to my sister while I was installing this wig, and we were talking about how every company doesn't have like quality lace. The quality of this lace, and then the hair is bomb too. You can't beat that. But like, can we get into this lace one more again? Like, melted. I love a bomb curly wig, but it's the lace for me, sis. I'm just saying. So far when I was detangling this wig, I didn't get a lot of shedding. Everything was just right. Everything flowed very well. I can't express more. Like, it's the texture too. Look how coily this is. This is like the perfect curly texture for me and the look that I like to go for to mimic my natural hair. I love it. It's not too kinky, but if you want to comb it out, you can achieve that more fluffy, kinky look. So I feel like with this kind of texture, you get the best of every world, because you can straighten it too. If you know, I wouldn't do that, but you could. And the curls bounce back with this kind of texture, because I have straightened it before, and you end up with kind of like a yucky-ish texture when you straighten this kind of hair. But I think I didn't say enough. If I had to say one more thing though, I would say, as far as like the longevity of this hair, I definitely would say you're gonna get over a year of wear with proper care, because you guys know with curly hair, you kind of have to care for it a little bit more, or it can die on you. You need to co-wash it. Don't let it get dry. If you're not wearing it, put it back in the proper packaging. You know, care for it like it's your own natural hair, and the hair will last. So yeah, if you are interested in checking out LuvMeHair, go ahead and hit the description box down below. I'll have all their information down there. And hopefully, if they don't have a coupon code ready for me, I can't remember, I'm going to tell them we need a coupon code. Okay, so all that will be down below in the description box. Let me know what you think. Is she screaming, oh? I feel like this is screaming, oh, so gang gang. This got me written all over it in the texture, not the texture, but the length. Perfect. Perfect. A 14-inch would have been really cute too. And ooh, I think, let me see, I think it goes as long as 22 inches. Let me see. Ooh, it goes to 26 inches, sis. 26 inches. I'll see you guys on my next video. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think about this hair. Is it a look? Hold on, do you guys want to see some makeup tutorials too? Because I'm trying to pump out these videos, because it's also season. My birthday's coming up, and you know I'm about to bring some heat to you guys, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you a part of the Oso gang, so you know what to do. Follow me on Instagram at Oso805, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. No, I'm feeling it. It's the whole look for me though. Look, like, hold on. This black, this red lip, and these curls and lace melted.